My children will be happy of a lifetime.
I only dance for Goldilocks.
Is that right? Is that the case? You'll never taste a drop of honey again. Not once I've locked you away in chains that are not too big, not too small, but just right.
Hello, boys and girls. These deep, dark woods are really deep and dark. I can't find Baby Bear anywhere, and I can't find Silly Billy. Would you help me shout for him?
Yes.
After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Mum. There you are.
Where have you been?
I've been down in the woods, roaming with the Romanies.
Did you find the gypsies' camp?
Oh, darling, they're incredibly much.
Silly one. You got there?
These are signs. I thought I'd collect them all up because I thought if I did that, then Heinkel would get lost in the woods and he'd never be able to find his secret hidden hideaway.
Son, that's the most ridiculous plan I've ever heard of.
Why?
Well, if he can't find it, how can we?
Well, we'll just follow the sun. All right, well,
What did I do to have a son like you?
you can't say that in front of this audience. Well, you could, but, you know. It's going to be fine, because I know my way around these woods like the back of my hand. I used to come down here with my girlfriend all the time.
Girlfriend?
Uh-huh.
You've never had a girlfriend.
I so have.
How did you meet?
Out for a walk one day.
What was she like?
Well, she was a bit plain, but I took the plunge and asked her out for a date.
And she said yes.
She did, and I bought her flowers and everything. I thought it might attract her.
What did you do for your date?
Took her out for tea. We went for a romantic meal at Nando's.
Romantic? Nando's?
Yeah, it was all I could afford. But you know what? She went and had a starter and everything.
You cow?
I thought it was really funny to hide the face, right? But she didn't laugh. She turned a bit frosty, so I thought best thing to do was take her clubbing. So we went out, we went on a right bender, we ended up in Kudos. But the music was so loud, we had to shout to hear each other.
Did you have to shout?
Yeah, really loudly. It made me a little bit hoarse. It was all going terribly well. She wanted a drink, but I needed a pee. It was fine until I came back from the toilet and then everything, and I mean everything, started to go downhill. I thought there would be no stopping us, but it turns out her ex was there, and he turned out to be a bit of a psychopath. He wanted to fight me, so I had to run and hide behind the bar, but he could still hear me.
How?
Well, it was a bit windy after the Nando's, to be honest. It was a bit of a giveaway.
How did you get out of that one?
Well, she said, why don't the three of us go back to my place? But I said, no way.
Did you tell her that?
I did, in a roundabout kind of a way.
She can't have taken that very well.
She kind of took the hump.
Oh dear.
Exactly.
Was she angry?
She was a bit cross, but I kind of said, well, I needed a diversion because he still wanted to fight me.
What happened?
Well, to be honest, there was only one way this was ever going to end up. I was bold, but he was bolder. In the end, I knew my limits and I ran away.
That was silly.
Well, there was no going back.
What happened in the end?
She dumped me for him. She said I was no longer her priority.
What did you see in her?
Well, they told me that Had the most amazing personality.
Well, son, I think that was probably fine. I would try and think of a pun to better that, but I think you pulled out all the stops.
I think so too.
Come on, son, let's hit the road. Cozy in your charming chains, baby bear.
Let me go.
Well, of course. All you had to do was ask. Oh dear, baby bear. It would appear I've thrown away some key. You'll have to stay there for all eternity.
My mummy and daddy and all my friends will come and rescue me. Just you wait and
They don't scare me. Just let them come. I really love surprises. Your precious parents will discover I have chains in all sizes.
Baby! Mummy! Daddy! How did you find me?
No time to explain. We need to get you out of here.
It's the bear.
Goldilocks, you're all here!
Yes, quick, open the chains before Hank will find us.
It's unbreakable.
Oh no, what are we going to do?
It's at times like this I wish I'd listened to what my dad said.
What did he say?
I don't know, I wasn't listening. Daddy Bear, come on, break open those chains.
With my bare hands?
Yeah.
No, it's no good. They're locked and it's unbreakable.
Oh no, we'll never get him loose.
He threw them away!
Oh
All right. You scary circus scallywags. Aren't I hidden hideaway? What a shame you won't be around to reveal what you have found.
He's got his weapon out.
Prepare to swallow my swords, bears. If I can't have you, no one can.
Oh, fine, you.
Don't be silly, girls don't fight.
Have you not been on the night out in Midsummer Norton?
Right, bandana. Leave this to me. I was taught kung fu by a close relative.
Oh, that is enough of that nonsense. It's over, Heimlich maneuver. Hoover.
Well, at this point, who cares?
Oh, Uncle. Snot. I knew I'd been you feckless fools. Snot? What are you doing?
You hurt my feelings, Heinkel. You're not the ringmaster of me anymore.
You tell it, Snot.
You're forgetting one thing.
Baby bear.
That's right. I've locked him away in chains. It looks as though there'll be no happy ending after all.
That's what you think.
Daddy, how did you find Heichel's hidden hideaway?
I'd never have found it if it wasn't for all the signs in the West Wood.
Billy, that was you!
I'd love to stand and talk, but I've got a bear to rescue.
Daddy! Oh. How on earth did you do that?
I am Baron William Wasteland, formerly known as the Great Willie Liftich.
Great, we lived it.
I was. And once the world's most famous strongman, I performed amazing feats of daring do. From Arizona to Barcelona to Lip-Neck Shrubwell.
But why did you leave it all behind?
I met your mother. She was one of the finest trapeze artists the world had ever known. Until the accident. One day she fell from the high wire trapeze rope onto a lettuce. They rushed her to hospital with at least sticking out of her bottom. When she got there, the doctor said it was just the tip of the iceberg. I lost. From that day forth, I vowed never to perform again and to devote all my strength to raising you.
But I always thought you hated the circus, Daddy.
It just brings back too many memories, that's all, Goldilocks. But I could never hate it. It's in our blood, and your mother would be so proud of you.
I'm pulling up over here.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh, that's enough of you, Heinkel.
What?
What are we going to do with him, boys and girls?
Kill him!
Kill him? Where are you lot from?
I know. Why don't we put him in a trunk and send him off to a horrible place where no one ever smiles and nobody knows the meaning of the word entertainment.
I know just the place. Chewton Manor. Goldilocks, you saved the day.
I couldn't have done it without you, Billy.
And without you, I couldn't have found my way.
But I'm just a silly Billy.
You saved the day, son. A silly Billy couldn't do that.
We can't call you Silly Billy anymore, can we?
No.
What, Billy?
And Snot, you're
Master Heinkel. I'm more than used to dealing with
Sharon! What are you going to do now without your crystal ball?
Oh, yes. Well, who needs to tell the future when the present is a gift?
Dame Gertie, are you looking for a man in impeccable shape with biceps to spare?
Flattered, but I've got this young man over here.
What's his name?
Julian.
The great Willie Lifted is back in the ring. Let me join you,
It's not my circus anymore.
What do you mean, Mum? It's not your circus.
Billy, you've proven to me, and to everyone, and to yourself, that anyone can make a difference, no matter how silly they are. I'm giving the circus to you.
But why?
Well, I'm not getting any younger. I'm nearly 21 now, you know. And I know together you and Goldilocks will take the circus to new heights. But you'll have to change the name, of course.
What will you call it?
Smart Billy Circus.
Billy Smart Circus!
led by the greatest clown of them all.
Do you really mean I can be a clown now?
You always were in my eyes, son.
I love a happy ending.
Do you know, they laughed at me when I said I wanted to be a clown. But they're not laughing now.
Grab your balls, son. Show them what you've got.
Be a clown, wear a smile, not a frown.
Hold your balls and juggle with flair. Show your moves and dance with a bear.
Be a clown, be a clown, be the best entertainer in town.
If you become a doctor, folks will face you with dread. If you